to this. Just gonna go right to the pool with it. Now inside the pool, you have an inlet cover here. You'll have to replace the screen on it. Put this hose adapter in. And there will be a set screw on this. I already had it removed, but it would go right there. So if you have a screwdriver, make sure you don't poke the liner of the pool, twist that out, and then this will rotate. No clamps. So this is just press fit. And you're going to have two adapters in here. So one will be like for the floating ring pool. It's really thick at the top, and I'm going to use the skinny one for the frame pool. Little squeeze tabs, they'll go in here. And that can go there. And then you'll have an adjustable height and a set screw. The blue part of this skimmer needs between 1 to 5 inches of water to float in. And it's supposed to float just like that. It stays at the top and it levels itself. I found that the best place to mount this bracket is right on the connector for the top rails. But it still needs just a little bit of help because these clamps aren't all that great. So I add an 18-inch zip tie. Much better. Now I did find that if you have two suction lines, it doesn't work too well. I've got this one blocked off and I'm only using the one at the moment. That seems to be working okay. Now one side isn't totally blocked off. I'm using the flow restrictor that comes with the kit and it works pretty well. Hey, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, everyone.